Hey guys, if you're trying to play League of Legends but the game keeps freezing or crashing, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you some quick and easy solutions. So the first thing you need to do is come over to the start menu, and we're going to search for Device Manager, and then just head over to this Device Manager control panel. Inside of here we need to expand this list for display adapters, and you need to update your graphic card drivers, and we can do this just by right clicking on your graphic card and selecting Update Driver, and then pressing Search automatically for drivers. Now, if you get this message telling you that you're already running the latest drivers, then you can also press this search for updated drivers on Windows Update at the bottom here. And this is going to take us to the Windows Update screen. And we can also press this check for updates button here, just to ensure we're running the latest software and drivers on our device. Now, once you've ensured you're running the latest version of Windows, the next thing you need to do is head over to System from the left-hand side here, inside of Display, and then come all the way down to Graphics. Come inside of Change Default Graphics Settings, and just ensure this option at the top here, Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling, is enabled, turned on, and then we can press this back arrow in the top left to come back to the previous window. And we're then going to add League of Legends to this list of applications down here. Now I've already got League of Legends added to this, so I can just select League of Legends, come into Options, and just make sure High Performance is selected from here and hit Save. And I'd also recommend doing the same for the League of Legends client, just by selecting it, come into Options, and ensure that High Performance is selected and hit Save. Now if you can't see League of Legends in this list of graphic settings, then what you need to do is just head over to Browse at the top here, and you'll need to locate the application file, which is usually saved within the C drive, inside of the Riot Games folder right at the bottom here, inside of League of Legends, and then you'll be able to find the League client right at the bottom here. We could just double click on to add it. As you can see, I've already got it added, so it's not going to let me do it twice. And once you've done all that, we can close out this window. And next thing you need to do is head back over to the Start menu and search for Run, and then come over to this Run icon. Inside of the search box, we need to type in msconfig and hit enter. Come over to Services in the top tab here, and you need to press this button down here, Hide All Microsoft Services, and then we're just going to go ahead and press Disable All, and we can press Apply and OK to save these changes. Now this will require you to restart your computer, but for now just carry on with the next steps in the video and we'll restart the computer at the end. So for now, just select Exit without restart, and we're going to come over to our File Explorer, come inside of the C drive, inside of the Riot Games folder at the bottom here, inside of the League of Legends folder, come down to the League of Legends client, and you need to right click on League Client.exe, come into Properties, inside of the Compatibility tab. Just ensure that Disable Full Screen Optimizations and also run this program as administrator are both ticked here, and then you can press Apply and OK. Then we can come all the way back up to the top, inside of Game, and inside of here you should see League of Legends.exe, and once again we need to right click this, come into Properties, inside of the Compatibility tab, and once again just make sure these two options are ticked. Press Apply and OK to save these changes, and once you've followed all of these steps, you can now restart your computer for all of these changes to take effect. And once your computer's restarted, that should have fixed any freezing or crashing issues you were experiencing with the game. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.